guys have any of the BMW 3 Series and you cross 250, this car right now sits on 290Ks, and that's how your chain looks like. Again, to a lot of my DIY peoples who work in the driveways or garage, they think we lock the cams. You can see there's absolutely no tools on top. This is a more than inch play in the chain. So that's how this customer was running the engine. What happened next? Your engine chain and the guides got breakdown, chain got stretched, and you got a servo motor core on this one. That time you need a new motor. Beware of that. If you love your BMWs and you keep it in a mint condition, like this car is perfectly fine, absolutely no rust on this car, and also this customer having memories with this car, so they don't want to get rid of this. They want to fix it and put, once we rebuild this thing, it's going to be good for another 5 years on the road. If you maintain everything from America Auto, we will maintain all the fluids on this one, and we'll make sure it's going to be run 5 years with no problem, absolutely no problem. And the people have a question: BMW don't long last that much. Here it is, 290 clicks, and just need the timing chain like the other older engine needs the timing belt. So it's not a big deal for it. It's close to somewhere around, just for the chain, it's going to be 2 grand plus taxes. From us, we have an inventory for BMW chain and everything. But if you're looking for additional work on this one, it depends how much repair or engine or transmission needed in order to give you an estimate. Also, if you're looking for an estimate on your chain, just on your chain, we can't give you estimate on the call, because this is something when we open up the wall cover, that is only the time we can check how much damage it is on the motor. Sometimes there is a servo motor code which is located right here. This adjusts the timing. This monitor the timing to the DME. So if this fries, your DME fries, and you're looking for a new DME and a servo motor, beware of that. Like this customer, it's very easy. When you lift up the hood, any of your N20 motor, 4-cylinder, 2-liter BMWs, take off your oil cap, put your finger right here, your finger gonna be here, and if you touch like this, you need a chain. That's it, period. So once it's gonna be done, there's gonna be not even a 1 mm space into this one left. We'll post a video once this gonna be installed. Any of the BMWs, timing chain job, no matter you have a N20, N55, N54, B46, B48, we are happy to help you out. Give us a call. On to the next car.
This Grand Caravan right here, it came for fuel leak issue, and then we're gonna go to Dodge to get the new pipe, and I'm going to show you the pipe that's right here with all oil on. There's like all gas on here, all like it's like very bad, so we're gonna replace it with a Dodge one. And so when we do with the Dodge one, we're going to put it on so it can drive smooth and good condition. Let's move on to the next car.
All right, so it's a rainy final day for this beautiful Tacoma 3.5 liter. We rebuilt it from top to bottom, and it's time for our client to give a test drive. So we'll let you guys know how it runs. If there is any lights on the dash, let's go. All right, guys, so it's right now sitting on 94,397 kilometers only, and that's the thing. We already started up. It starts pretty nice and smooth, as always Toyota does it, if you're not going to put a wrong oil in it. And we are going on a test drive. So right now there is absolutely no caution signs, any of the engine light or any other light on the dash. It's all clean and smooth, and it's a rainy day, so we'll make a test drive to see how it runs up. So we are going to make a short drive and check whether everything goes perfectly fine or not. So most of the time, that's what we do with every engine rebuild or transmission swap. If you guys do have any of the relate works on your Toyota's rebuilds, swaps, you name it, we'll do that. Book your appointments. And also, other thing on a serious note, again, if you have a car like this is one of the reliable car in Canada from almost 3 decades. So do not put a bad oil in it. Bad oil means if you find something way cheaper than Amazon kind of platform or their own website, if you want an authentic oil with the budget friendly price, try to go on their brand websites, or you can contact us. We are authorized dealer for Licomoli, authorized dealer for AD Mistu, Ineos, Row. You can name it. We have most of the imported authorized dealing with all of those brands. If you talk about the locals, we don't deal with that. We don't deal with the Castrol. We do not deal with Pennzoil. We only deal the one I listed. We deal with the Mopar oil, and also you can call us for any of the OEM fluids, like if you want Mercedes oil, BMW oil, VW oil, any of the authentically OEM oils. We have a larger inventory with the oils and the filters and all the mandatory services. So any of the authentic services, you want the OEM stuff on your car, fluids or parts, give us a call. We're happy to help you out. Right now we book for a month and a half. In order to book an appointment, you must need to make an appointment. We're not going to serve right away, so we only do oil changes right away, but still need a call to make sure we have a room for your oil change. Any of the services, give us a call. On to the next car. All right, guys, so we got this beautiful 2025 Kia K4, and it's here for a mandatory services. We're going to do the oil change on this one, as this car is almost close to 80 clicks, and we're going to do the transmission fluid flush on this car, coolant flush, and the brake flush. Those are the service recommendation dealership give it to this customer, and they walk into a shop and got a discount on the Honda products, Hyundai products. So if you guys do have any of the newer Kias or Hyundais, we have a multiple inventory for all the fluids, coolants, oils, authentically OEM, with the made in Korea. Any of the inquiries, give us a call. We'll happy to help you out. On to the next call. All right, guys. So here is the Porsche engine, the one we just switched it. So just gonna let you know, if you guys have a Porsche Macans or Cayman or Cayenne, if you have a 3 liter with the twin turbos, just watch your front while you're gonna have a look on every bi-weekly on your hoods up on the engine. This car got a problem with the swollen pistons, which is pretty common on a lot of Porsche design engines. That's not a Audi designed engine or Volkswagens. It's a specifically Porsche design engine. So if you have 3 liter Porsche from 2016 to 2018, those 3 years, this engine came in most of the SUVs, and this one have a plasma coating on the cylinder walls. So when the water pumps leak from the front, which is not visible in the car because there's a lot of stuff in the front on the sides of this engine, it's hard to see. But if you figured out you got a low coolant warning, that straight means your water pump is leaking. So when the engine goes out, the pistons make the block superheat because it's a twin turbo car, and the piston got swollen, which results the cylinder walls got weared out, and the plasma thing comes up and low on the compression engine. That's something happened with this, or you're gonna have a rod knock. That's also a sign of the similar thing. In that case, the only thing is to swap for the. That's the cheapest way to do. But if you want to make a rebuild, just the long block on this engine costs you somewhere around Canadian 30 grand plus tax. So this case, we're just going to swap it because the customer, they just bought this car, and this something happened after almost 6,000 kilometers. They pay a gravy amount of money to buy this car. Now this is also a good amount of thing to replace the engine. So if you guys do have a Porsches, or you want to buy Porsches with the similar engines, give us a call for any of the inspection. We charge a reasonable price to inspect on your engine. We do the bore scope on the engine, compression test, you name it, we'll do that. We're happy to help you out. Bring up your Porsche if you want to buy. We'll inspect it and let you know what exactly your motor looks like and how much money you need to put in a futuristic if you buy the car. Any of the Porsches, give us a call.